decentralized identity management using blockchain. So here is my front end, and on the back end, we already have our VMware running with Ubuntu, and the Ganache also is running behind. For the smart contract, I have already combined and migrated it using the Truffle framework. So here on the front end, so I'm going to take you through the process of how users can register, login, and validate their identity using blockchain, zero knowledge proof, while also interacting with the user-friendly front end interface. So this system is designed to securely register, authenticate users without exposing sensitive information using a token mechanism. So we leverage blockchain technology and cryptographic proofs to create a privacy-preserving logic and registration flow. So first we'll look at the registration page that we have here. So here we have a simple form that allows users to sign up. So they'll have to provide their name, username, and password. So let us fill this form out here. So after we have added our details here in the register form, so normally in the backend also we have the connection with MetaMask. So every time there is register or login, a transaction is happening in the backend. So here the MetaMask is already connected. So we'll just try to click on the register after having added our details here. We can see the registration has been successful, and next we are redirected to the login page. So as soon as the user tries to register, we check if the fields are filled correctly, if there is any mismatch in the password and confirmation, or if the password doesn't meet the minimum length requirements that I have added, which is between the 8 and 32 characters. So the system will provide an error message, otherwise it proceeds to register the user. And also the password are being hashed when it is being stored in the smart contract. So now when the user clicks on the register button, the system generates a hash password and uses zero knowledge proof, that KP, to ensure the integrity and validity of the password without revealing it. And then the registration information along with the proof is sent to the blockchain for the validation and storage. So here we have our login now. So once registered, users can proceed to the login page. So here they will have to enter the username and password. So we will put the details of the registered user that we have just added. And then we'll add the password also. So when the user will click on login, the system will hash the entered password again, and then will generate a zero knowledge proof and verify it on the blockchain. So this ensures that the password entered matches the one stored in the blockchain without revealing the password itself. And also, when this transaction is happening, a token is being generated with an expiry time frame that is being stored on the smart contract alongside with the user's address. So we'll just click on login. So the login also has been successful. So here we have the validate token that is already filled automatically here. So the purpose of this step is to validate that the user has a valid token. This is a crucial step in verifying that the user's identity and credentials have been securely verified on the blockchain using that keys. So when the user enters a token in the input field and click validate, the system will confirm that the token is valid. And if this is successful, the user is redirected to the home page. So we can say that the validation is successful. So finally, once the token is validated, the user is directed to the home page. On the home page, we display a simulated Ethereum address tied to the user's account on a way to show how blockchain addresses can be tied to user identities. So here we have an alpha and we have some different functionalities. So here we can see the user's account section with a sample MetaMask address. So this is how user can be identified on blockchain, allowing them to interact with the decentralized application. And then they can also review their profile. If there is any modification that needs to be done, we can do the changes under the My Profile. So yeah, as we can see, the system uses blockchain technology and zero-knowledge proof to secure handle user registration and login. And then we see there is a token validation while maintaining privacy. So this is to counter again like replay attacks like breaches. So this is a safer method. That is why we have used a token validation within which is also stored alongside a time frame and the user's blockchain address. So this setup ensures that no sensitive data such as passwords are exposed to the blockchain and the user's identity remains protected.